Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bittycoon Lite BTC mining app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will mine Bitcoin for you. Now, I would suggest not giving into this app since it is very clearly a scam. Since apps like this tend to dig into your phone and actually go through your phone's systems and permissions before you can actually mine. So as you can see right here, you can mine with a single click. If this were actually true, uh, it will be making the news or making headlines and making people rich. And it is too good to be true since if you really can mine Bitcoin, and as you can see, it is very little. So as you can see, it is 0.00000000, and that is very small. So let's head on over here to the reviews. But before we head into the reviews, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the reviews. So as you can see right here, this person said, I don't know why it stops mining whenever I minimize to do something else like simply watching videos saved on my phone. What kind of rubbish is that? 2 stars. Ordered the contract here, blah blah blah. Not even halfway through the contracts, they all disappeared from my account. I did not realize after paying 1 month subscription, you get 1 year of mining for time for free, which drastically changes how I view this platform. So basically, guys, for you to mine this in this app, you will need to subscribe after 1 year. So only 1 year is free, and I doubt that in that 1 year you will actually get even 1 Bitcoin. And please stay away from apps like these, guys. As you can see from the reviews, they're all below 3 stars or 3 stars and below. So scam, 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 and a lot more. So please avoid this app in the hopes. Please do not download this app in the hopes of making money or Bitcoin. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.